Okay, so now I'm going to see if the sound's going to muffle or not with the Insta360 ONE R. I'm going to turn this on, my PowerBeats, and there we go, now it's connected. Okay, now it's connected. Now let's see how it sounds like. So this is the PowerBeats Pro for the microphone using Filmic Pro on my iPhone 11 Pro. So this is to tell the difference if the audio is muffled, because I'm going to test it on this and see if it's going to be muffled on this or if it sounds the same. Okay, so now I'm still at the in my garden, and you can see I don't know if you can hear all the noises in the background, but here's the iPhone. So I'm not using the iPhone as sound anymore, and you can see the PowerBeats Pro here. So I'm using it in this, and on the 1R you can see. So there's my tomato. It's growing, and there's at least 12 of them. This 1R. Okay, so right now there's no background noises, I guess, that you can hear, except maybe cars passing by from the first floor and construction going on the right side, on that side. And that's pretty much concluded the test. You just let me know. Thanks for watching.